Hi, I'm going to do a quick video to help you out as much as I can. When you're importing or exporting data in 3dcart through your products inventory, so if you went to a product list, hit export, you would export your data file by clicking this, hit download, save it to a folder. You have to select a folder. Mine's already selected for the website and the product export list file. Hit save. Okay, once it flashes on Firefox, that's done. Okay, now the problem you run into is if you look at in my products list, I've been working on this and getting it fixed. You see how my ID, which is my SKU for my products, are all okay up to here? Well, once you get down to here, this is what they look like if you don't follow this procedure. And if you have any long numbers that you're exporting out of 3dcart into an Excel and you don't follow this procedure, it'll change them to where they look like, you know, just insanity. It'll drive you insane when you're working on it. So what you would do to do this is you've exported your file. You open up a brand new Excel. I've already done that to save a little time. We're sitting here at the brand new Excel sheet, and then you would go to data. From a text file, this is 2010 Excel. Click that. You have to find the file, however you want to do that. I'm just going to recent products, and this is the one I just downloaded this morning. You double click on it and open it. And that's going to ask you some questions. Now Victor and Donna helped me at 3dcart through this, and so you would do the delimitate, or let me make sure where that's at. Yeah, delimited, and then you would go to the next. Take out the tab, add the commas. Now it's broken up all the fields. Now you can see in the fields that the numbers are correct right now. So you hit next, and then from there you go to you click on the first one. It's already black. Hold shift, go all the way to the end. Click on that, and that has all of them selected. Click text. Now they're saved. You hit finish. Where you want the start in the sheet is, you know, A1 in this case. Hit OK, and you can see that it saved the ones that were correct and these right here. Now what I'm going to do is change the last number to every one of these, because I'm going to fix them later on, to 1 and then I'm going to drag them down so you'll see the change on it. So they're all 1s now. Hit Control S to save it. I'm going to save it in the same place. I'm going to take and even save it as, now see, here's where I've goofed up. You got to be careful. Right here you have to hit where the Excel workbook is, where it's telling you what to save it as. You want to come up to the CSV common delimited file. Change that to there. You'll notice it. How I caught it just there is you'll notice it when you go to save it, there's no files there. I'm going to save as the one I just messed with. I downloaded it, hit save. It's already existing, replace it. Has a couple warnings, just hit yes, yes. Now that's done. Now close it, save again. I don't know why it's doing this, but hit save. Already exist. Yes. Okay. So as you see, there are 2 2s and different numbers here. Now go back to export, import, browse the file. Back to my very last one on today's date, the first or second one, I guess. Import, insert and update. It completed. That's the best thing you'll ever see if you went through what I went through. Back to product list. You see they're all, the ones I had changed are all 1s now. So that's how you would fix that. I'm going to show you one other thing that caused me a nightmare for a little bit. Let's see, is this it? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, okay. This is an Excel sheet of an older one. This was 9/29. It happened. I don't know what caused this to happen, but if you look, all my columns are in columns here. The numbers are still messed up. I've changed them so many times it was driving me crazy, but this is an older one just to show you an issue I ran into. I had 2 products that went south for some reason. line 73 and line 74, item 73 and item 74. And the data below this is part of that, and I don't know why it did this. So if you run into this, the one thing I figured out what to do, I tried editing it, putting it back, and it still kept redoing it over and over and over, is you get the data, the information for those products all copied somewhere. We can re-enter it. You would take and come right here, highlight the two of them, hit delete, and it's gotten rid of that data. And then you would save it, and then from there you would re-import it, add your new data, and that would solve the problem of those two going crazy, because that will not allow your upload to complete when the data is out of column.